Renko chart, I know there are two interesting momentum patterns. The first one being preparation will certainly help a trader. So planning your trade and trading your plan is what I always do. The next breakout, which happens above the swing high, would be where the next breakout for the Renko chart is seemingly possible. Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel of Muktada Mankar. Here I am posting various videos regarding noiseless charts. I hope you are liking them and you've subscribed to the channel, sharing these videos with your friends and families and your trading buddies. So let's get going. आज के वीडियो में मैं सिखाने वाली हूँ आपको एक और इंटरेस्टिंग स्कैनर बनाने के लिए। आज हम सीखेंगे MACD के साथ रेनको चार्ट में हम स्कैनर कैसे बिल्ड कर सकते हैं। आज का वीडियो रहेगा पोजिशनल बुलिश ट्रेड्स के लिए हम कैसे स्कैन करके फाइंड कर सकते हैं कि मोमेंटम में कौन से स्टॉक्स आ सकते हैं। तो पहला ये हमारा द इंडिकेटर दैट वी आर गोइंग टू यूज इज गोइंग टू बी MACD indicator. So we know that MACD indicator above the zero line and a crossover of the MACD line over the signal line is a bullish indication. So my first condition would be it has to satisfy that the stock is in bullish momentum with the MACD indicator. The second pattern that we are going to use here is going to be about various momentum patterns. So in Renko chart, I know there are two interesting momentum patterns. The first one being one back bullish pattern and the second is two back bullish pattern. So probable one back bullish pattern जहाँ पे फिलहाल प्राइस बेरिश ब्रिक बना रही है और ब्रेकआउट आ सकता है और probable two back bullish pattern will be the patterns that we will use for our scanning. So let's build a scanner on R zone. I'll go to R zone. In R zone, I'll go to System Builder. In System Builder, I'll select Renko and create a System Builder. So here I'll give it a name. I'll give it a name MACD plus Momentum Scanner is the name that I have given. Now I will add first and foremost indicator. MACD indicator add कर रही हूँ. MACD average, MACD line above average line at 0. Then MACD line above 0 is also I want it to satisfy. So these first two conditions for the indicator. Then the pattern. Pattern में I want anchor brick. So I want a bullish anchor brick at 1. So there is a nice momentum which is there. And then a probable one back bullish pattern at 0 or a probable two back bullish pattern at 0. Now I'll give conditions. Condition 1 and 2 are compulsory and then 3 is also compulsory and then it could be 4 or 5 as a condition. So all these 5 conditions satisfied and we save it. After saving it, I will go to R zone and I will try to scan that particular scanner with the Renko charts. So here I am choosing a group, a specific group, say Nifty 500 and Nifty FNO group is what I have chosen. In this, I'll choose the scanner that I have created, which is MACD plus momentum scanner, and I will scan it on a 0.25% daily chart. Now let's see what candidates come up in this scanner. The scanner is scanning 225 candidates. The first one which has come up in the candidate scanner is Coforge. Now let's look at the candidate Coforge. There is no recommendation out here. We are just trying to understand how the setups can work in our favor and how we can find indicators or how we can find candidates for trading. So if you see here, we have a bullish MACD crossover. The MACD line is rising and above the mark of 0 as well. Now here we have an anchor brick indicating that the momentum is in bullish favor. We can see one bearish brick which is formed out here. I can be prepared that the next breakout which happens above the swing high would be where the next breakout for the Renko chart is seemingly possible. Once this breakout happens, a reversal break prints above the level of 8615, currently trading at 8600, and then the swing breakout would happen in the direction of the bullish side. So we have an anchor brick indicating bullish momentum, a pullback by one brick, and then a swing breakout wherein we can participate with at the swing breakout with one brick below the previous swing low as our stop loss.
आगे जाने से पहले एक बात बताती हूँ। जैसे गेम के सिर्फ रूल जान लेने से जीत की गारंटी नहीं होती, वैसे ही नॉइजलेस ट्रेडिंग के कॉन्सेप्ट सीख के आप नॉलेजेबल तो बन जाओगे, बट प्रॉफिटेबल बनना मुश्किल हो सकता है। अगर आपको ये कॉन्सेप्ट मार्केट में अप्लाई करके एक प्रॉफिटेबल ट्रेडर बनना है तो प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग इज अ मस्ट। मैं मुक्ता धामनकर अपने 17 साल की ट्रेडिंग एक्सपीरियंस के साथ लेकर आई हूँ आपके लिए एक नॉइजलेस ट्रेडिंग गाइडेंस प्रोग्राम इन कोलैबोरेशन विथ upsurge.club। इस प्रोग्राम के नेक्स्ट बैच का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। सो आज ही एनरोल करो और एक प्रॉफिटेबल नॉइजलेस ट्रेडर बनो। चलिए अब वापस वीडियो में चलते हैं।
So we can scan such candidates and be ready for our trade setups. The next one which has come up, so out of 225 candidates, just 3 stocks have qualified for this particular setup. MSCD bullish, rising above the mark of 0. Here we have an anchor brick at 1 and a pullback. So now I know when a reversal break forms, currently trading at 610, reversal break prints at 614, which we can see here when I point to the previous level. 814 is where the reversal break prints, and a breakout happens above 816. So that's where my long trade would trigger. My stop loss in this case will be at 609, below this particular bearish break that we can see. So we are preparing ourselves for the trade, and this way हमारी अगली ट्रेड के लिए हम होमवर्क करके रख सकते हैं एक दिन पहले। प्रिपरेशन विल सर्टेनली हेल्प अ ट्रेडर, सो प्लानिंग योर ट्रेड एंड ट्रेडिंग योर प्लान इज व्हाट आई ऑलवेज बिलीव इन. So this is an attempt to help you do your homework and be prepared for the next day's trading setups. I hope you like the video and you will build the scanner and let me know your reviews for this particular scanner after building. Any queries you can post in the YouTube channel and ask me if you need any help. We are there to help you out. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon in another interesting video on Renko charts and PNF charts on this YouTube channel. Till then, stay tuned and enjoy trading.